In front of me is Vivo S1 Prime, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then open shortcuts and accessibility, and here go to accessibility. Then select Talkback, and now you can smoothly activate it by tapping on the switcher, then confirm it by tapping on allow, and now it is active. Basically all you need to know about Talkback, let me just volume it up a bit, is written right here, so I will just mark it and then we'll be provided with details.
When Talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. This can be helpful for people who are blind or partially sighted. To navigate using Talkback, swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag 2 fingers to scroll. To turn off Talkback, tap the switch. You'll see a green outline. Double tap the switch. On the confirmation message, tap OK. Then double tap OK in list 2 items.
So, as you can see, just mark something once.
Back button.
Double tap to select. You can scroll this way.
Double tap to activate.
Select Talkback to switch it off. Double mark. And if you'd like to switch it off,
Use service on.
double tap on use service.
Alert stop.
Click on stop. Click twice. And that's it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.